Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about what is meant by white box testing. See, white box testing is nothing but white box testing. So we can call white box testing, no? So this is nothing but white box testing is nothing but we call them as glass box testing, clear box testing, structural testing. So white box testing is a application code or application internal code. So application internal code. So it is completely code. So who is responsible for white box testing? Completely developers. So developers are responsible for white box testing. See, white box testing is nothing but we can call it as a glass box testing, as well as clear box testing, as well as structural testing. So these three names are white box testing we can call. And also it is completely application code or application internal code level. So white box testing they will do in the internal code level, application internal code level. So who is responsible means developers are responsible for the white box testing.